Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing with CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate is a leading affiliate marketing network used by businesses and publishers to create profitable partnerships. It's typically used by companies seeking to expand their reach and publishers looking to monetize their online content. Let's explore its features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's take a look at CJ Affiliate's main features. Vast network. CJ Affiliate boasts one of the largest affiliate marketing networks, connecting advertisers with millions of publishers across various industries for verticals, providing unparalleled opportunities for collaboration and revenue generation. Real-time tracking. With CJ Affiliate's real-time tracking and reporting tools, customers can monitor performance metrics, track conversions, and optimize campaigns on the fly, ensuring maximum efficiency and ROI. Affiliate link management. CJ Affiliate offers advanced tools for managing affiliate links, including deep linking capabilities, custom tracking parameters, and dynamic ad creative options, empowering users to create engaging and effective promotional content. Customizable commissions. Users can customize commission structures to align with their business goals and objectives, with options for pay per scale, pay per lead, and pay per click, allowing for flexibility and scalability in affiliate marketing campaigns. Dedicated support. CJ Affiliate provides dedicated support from affiliate marketing experts, offering guidance, strategic advice, and technical assistance to help users maximize their affiliate marketing efforts and achieve their business objectives. Performance insights. Gain valuable insights into campaign performance with CJ Affiliate's comprehensive reporting tools, allowing users to analyze data, identify trends, and make informed decisions to optimize their affiliate marketing strategies. CJ Affiliate's pricing structure typically involves network access fees paid by advertisers and commission-based charges deducted from affiliate earnings. While exact pricing details vary based on individual agreements, advertisers may pay a network access fee ranging from $3,000 to $10,000 per month, while publishers may incur commission rates ranging from 5% to 30% of generated sales. Users praise CJ Affiliate for its intuitive platform, robust tracking and reporting capabilities, and responsive customer support, making it easy to manage affiliate marketing campaigns and collaborate with partners. With a user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, CJ Affiliate streamlines the affiliate marketing process, enhancing user experience and driving results. The pros of using CJ Affiliate include its extensive network reach, real-time tracking and reporting, customizable commission structures, advanced affiliate link management tools, dedicated support, and performance insights. However, potential cons may include complex pricing models, competition with the affiliate marketing space, and the need for ongoing optimization and management for affiliate campaigns. Alternative affiliate marketing networks to CJ Affiliate include ShareASale, Rakuten Marketing, Amazon Associates, and Impact. Each platform offers unique features, pricing structures, and network sizes, providing users with options to explore and find the affiliate marketing solution that best fits their needs and goals. In conclusion, CJ Affiliate offers a comprehensive affiliate marketing solution with its extensive network reach, advanced tracking and reporting tools, customizable commission structures, and dedicated support. Whether you're an advertiser looking to expand your reach or a publisher seeking to monetize your content, CJ Affiliate provides the tools and resources to drive success in the affiliate marketing space. Sign up for CJ Affiliate today to unlock the potential of profitable partnerships and maximize your online earnings. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insights and tips on optimizing your affiliate marketing strategies. Thank you for watching.